Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Authenticator. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Authenticator and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.